So, today we're going to talk about task-based language learning. Task-based language learning, TBLL, is an approach that offers students the opportunity to actively engage in communication to complete a task. TBLL seeks to develop students' language skills by providing a task and then using language to solve it, where the planning of learning materials and teaching sessions is based around doing a task. In other words, using the analogy of learning to drive, what did you learn by driving? Well, in the same way, task-based learning is based on the idea that you learn in a language by using it, rather than studying its different components in isolation. It's versus learning how to drive from a manual to learning how to drive from experience. Why is task-based language learning related to ELT? TBLL is a common teaching approach used by language teachers during their classes to provide students the opportunities to use the language by completing a task and learning subconsciously while doing it. This affects teachers because trying to use this approach demands a lot of planning and material design. Teachers are used to being the center of the class. However, in this approach, students are the center. Using this approach, even though it's challenging, can be used as training. Some characteristics would be learning to use the language instead of learning about the language, learning by doing, meaning over accuracy, use of authentic material, functional language, motivate students by implementing what they have learned. It requires critical thinking, collaboration, and it takes a lot of time. In conclusion, task-based language learning is a useful approach to implement in classes. It allows students to use what they have learned, which encourages them to pay attention. And even though it's challenging to use, I would recommend it from time to time. Thank you very much. My name is Daniel P. Piña Alvarado, and goodbye.